good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Ghan. My name's Bruce Smith and I'm your train manager on today's journey through to Alice Springs and then on to Darwin. On behalf of our crew, certainly like to give you a very warm welcome aboard the Ghan. Over the next 3 days we will be travelling from the bottom to the top of Australia. That's a distance of some 2,979 kilometres, stopping at Alice Springs and Catherine on the way. Now for our guests that may be interested in statistics, we are 902 metres long. We weigh 1,773 tonnes and we have 38 carriages on board today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our next item of interest is the Finke River. The Finke's a fairly large river, so it's certainly able to be seen from both the left and right hand sides of the train.
How many people are going to run the gauntlet today, you reckon, Scotty?
The old taxi just did. He wasn't going to get stuck. Here comes another one.